Time reshapes everything. The cities we walk, the lives we build, and the spaces we gather in. Kitchens once built for necessity became spaces of connection and comfort. Heavy turned into minimal. Ordinary became intentional. Every year sharpened the way we live. And now, after decades of quiet evolution, we stand right before the next chapter. Get ready. Here are our 2 upcoming projects, unveiling the 2026 trends. Project 1. A space built around clean geometry and refined materials. Every corner designed to feel intentional. The key feature here is the Invisible Induction Stove, transforming the entire countertop into a cooking surface without ever heating it. Also featuring a full-slab backsplash for seamless sculptural design. Project 2 pushes our design language even further. A bold mix of structure, texture, and movement, all working in harmony. Featuring full miter edges, extra island storage, and stone and terracotta finishes. Thermal neutral porcelain tiles premium flooring that never absorbs heat, only attention. Timeless and bold. From where we started to everything we're becoming. This is Pie Kitchen and Bath.